Yo, what is up guys? Sam Pack here, back with another video, and today we're going to take a look at a first look at the new iPhone 15 Pro Max. So I'm still waiting for the iPhone to arrive, and it says it's going to be here around like 11 to 2 o'clock, so just waiting for that. So hopefully we don't have to wait too long, but yeah. So this is the iPhone 15 Pro Max in the natural titanium finish. It actually looks a lot more gray than in the photos. I thought it would have had more earthy tones to it, but it's definitely more on the neutral side. Not only the titanium finish is supposed to be more durable and lighter, the biggest thing I noticed right away was how the phone feels in your hands. Compared to the aluminum finish, the titanium feels a lot more secure while holding your phone, and it doesn't feel like it's going to fall out of your hands. This makes me want to use the phone without a case so bad. Apple has also added a new action button that allows you to launch a feature at the tips of your fingers right away, and you can choose up to 9 different features like your camera or your flashlight. Apple has also improved the camera system on the 15 by giving multiple focal lengths for each lens, and also allowing the telephoto lens to do a 5-time optical zoom, as well as allowing video footage to be recorded in log format for color grading. And they even added a feature where you can turn any regular photo into a portrait even after the photo is taken. And another cool feature they added was the always on display, another feature that Android had for a long time but finally came to the iPhone. And if you don't want the wallpaper to show all the time and save some battery life, you can turn this off. And the biggest and most needed update to the iPhone was the change to the USB-C. I don't know how long we've been waiting for this, but it was definitely long overdue. And because of this, you can now record your ProRes footage straight to an SSD, and I even saw some people play full screen mobile games on an external display. I honestly can't wait to play around with this phone more and give you guys a more in-depth review on what I think about the phone, and I definitely want to do a dedicated camera setup and review video as well, so stay tuned for that. So next thing I want to check out is these iPhone 15 Pro Max accessories. These were sent out by my sponsors, so I want to do an unboxing, and there are a couple of cases and accessories that you could probably get with any of your iPhones, so let's check them out. Alright, so first package that we got here is from Moft. And these guys are well known for their origami style cases, and of course you're gonna have a origami style kind of MagSafe stand here. So we're gonna unbox this real quick and let you guys see what this looks like. So here is the first case here. So this is actually gonna be a nice leather case. Feels really good. It's this nice kind of grayish, whitish color here. If you guys can see these edges, these are actually metallic for the buttons, and they actually feel really nice and smooth. Has a nice deep opening here for the camera so that your camera is going to be protected if it ever drops. Yeah, overall this is a really nice case. Feels really nice. All right, so this is how it looks on the Pro Max. Looks pretty good. Looks pretty nice. I really like the color combination of the titanium and also this grayish white finish here. This is the Moft stand, and so we're gonna check this guy out. If you pull this right here, it's gonna show you all of the directions right here, which is pretty cool. This goes right here like that. Boom. And then this will act like a stand here. So this guy can be like in this position here, which is pretty cool. Standing vertically like this. And then you can actually do a different position, which is just more just like a standing like that, pretty much. And then obviously you can do it that way too. And then you can actually put your phone horizontally and use it kind of as a tripod if you guys wanted to also, which is really nice. You could just flip it around and go vertically and then go horizontal if you wanted to. So this package is from Nomad and they sent a lot of accessories for the iPhone Pro Max. So let's check out what's inside. All right, so we got a lot of pretty cool stuff in here. So here's the first one that they sent us. This is the modern leather case here. And as you guys know, Apple has discontinued all of their leather cases. So if you guys do want to have a leather case, I would definitely check out Nomad as well. This is the Horine leather case. As time goes by, it's actually going to look very nice and rustic. So I think that's going to give it a nice look for it instead of looking very, very clean like this. Like you kind of want that wrinkles and have that kind of, characteristic of the look to it. So I think this is going to be aging really well over time. So here is the case. Now let's put the iPhone 15 in here. That looks amazing. Look at that. So I think the raw titanium is gonna fit perfectly with almost any kind of color cases because it's such a neutral color. And I think if you guys are gonna pick one out, I would highly suggest getting the raw titanium. But yeah, look at this case. Looks really nice. Matches really well with the titanium. So even the side buttons, they feel nice and metallic on the sides. Feels really good. Feels like it has really nice protection all around the case, which is really, really cool. So next thing we got here is the USB-C cable. And this is the Kevlar edition. So this is a super nice braided cable here. And we actually got this in 3 meters. So this is actually a very nice long cable. These tips are very nice and strong. It doesn't, and see, I'm trying to bend it. It doesn't look like it's gonna bend that easily over time. So having those strong tips is going to be very, very crucial, especially if you want to have a cable that's going to last for a long time. The next thing I want to check out is the 130-watt charger here. So this is a very huge charger. It's kind of the similar size as a MacBook charger in my opinion, and it's actually really, really thick here. So if you guys use this charger, the top is going to give you 100 watts. And if you use the top and the middle together, the top one's going to give you 100 and the middle one should give you 30 watts. And then if you actually use all 3 ports at the same time, the top one's going to give you 70 watts and then the 2 bottoms are going to give you 30 watts each. And lastly, we're going to check out the Base One Max. I know I've showed you guys the Base One stand before in my previous desk setup, but this one's going to be a 3-in-1 charger instead of just one charger. So this can charge your iPhone, your Apple Watch, and AirPods all at the same time. So you're actually going to have to buy the 30-watt USB-C charger for this. It doesn't come with it, so you're going to have to buy it separately. All right, so that's all the accessories that we got. We got a nice case, and then we got a charger for this, and we got the cable for the charger, and we also have the power adapter as well. You guys can pick this up all from Nomad. I'll leave all of the links down below in the description, and you guys can go grab that if you guys want to. So if you guys are looking for iPhone 15 leather cases, I would definitely go for either one of these. These are both great options. They're both different leather materials, and you just gotta pick whatever your preference you guys want. Yeah, both are really, really great. The quality is really good on both of them. I would say the Nomad one is gonna give you a little bit more better protection per se, and this one, the Moft case, is going to be a little bit more for an aesthetic look, but still it has good protection over it, but just not as much protection as the Nomad case. And both of them look really great in person. They feel really great. These are going to be really good options for an alternative leather cases for you guys. All right, so that's gonna be it for the first look and unboxing of the iPhone 15 Pro Max. I honestly can't wait to keep using it daily and just testing to see the camera, testing the battery life, and testing just overall use of the phone every day, because yeah, for me, it's a huge upgrade from going from the 12 to the 15. And so for me, I'm actually really, really happy about this upgrade, and honestly can't wait to use it. So there's so many videos coming out very soon, not only just keyboard content, I'm gonna be putting out a lot more consumer tech stuff, more gaming tech content, so just stay tuned for all those. And also, I know I said I wasn't gonna do another desk setup, but there is gonna be a new updated desk setup coming up in November, so stay tuned for that. And I can't wait to share who I'm gonna be collaborating for that video. But yeah, that's it for this one. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Leave a like or comment on any of the phones that you guys are gonna get, or if you guys are gonna get any of these cases, let me know in the comments down below. But thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out, guys.